What's going on, vlog? We're starting off here at the Henry Vilas Zoo. We got Natalie, Esmeralda, Bentley here. We're all together.
Are there gorillas here?
They should have a little bit of everything here.
There's rhinos
We're bringing
here?
you guys along with us, so let's have a good day today, you guys. Stay blessed.
Mommy, I don't know, right, Daddy? What does this say?
Anyways, guys, so we're just walking through again here. Look at this, what I have with me. I don't think you guys understand, but literally all day today I have to worry about who is looking at Natalie.
Oh my goodness.
This is gonna be the thumbnail because we need some views. So hopefully she brings us alive. Bentley, come on, boy.
Hey, there's another turtle. That's not Where? Where? What is that?
Close to it.
What is
An alligator snapping turtle.
What? And it's having gills in it. This is an alligator snapping turtle. What's a snapping turtle? OMG. What the heck?
Gross. Look at how many are in there.
There's a snake. What's in there?
You got our little homeboy over here, though. So that was pretty cool.
Let's go.
That was our
there.
first exhibit.
Maybe will be our last.
Vamos a seguir por ahí para abajo.
Hey, I was
Oh,
there.
there's
I
flamingos
was
over
there.
there.
My hat. Yeah.
Having a great time. Definitely happy Natalie decided on the zoo. Gotta run after Bentley because he's all the way over there by himself. Jeez, he's running. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him.
I got him.
And he got us.
I got him. I think they are. See something. Open up the rock. Open up
We are walking into, what is this? Like, do they call this anything specific? I don't know what kind of animals are in here, but I know from my previous experiences here that there is some sort of birds in here. Right, Esmeralda?
Nope.
It smells like Esmeralda in here.
Great.
Whoa.
What? What?
That's not her.
What do you think about that, Esmeralda? Mom, 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 mom. Oh my God. Look at, even the fish is trying to take my girl, man. Dang. Look at that guy. I look just like you right now. That bird has the same attitude that you have right now with that outfit. All right, come on. What is this? Oh my God! I didn't even. Woo! You see that? Are we gonna make it across? Woo! Are we gonna go? Should we go? There's some sort of bird in here going in. Me and Bentley are gonna make our way. We'll meet you on the other side. Me and Bentley are making it across. Oh my God. What do you think, Bentley? What do you think?
Awesome.
All right, come on, let's go. Woo! Look at them. Look at Bentley. Yeah.
What's in there?
She was so scared.
I thought they were pops and things.
Just want to send a big shout out to the cameraman. Boom, and the vlog setup, just so you guys know. This is how we bring it to you guys. Boom.
Is that flower?
Could I please get 2 bomb pops?
Yep.
And then could I get a medium popcorn as well? And a large Pepsi, please.
And a drink. The small was $2.99. I want a drink. I want a drink.
You getting an ice cream, puppy?
Ow. Is that the
The small versus the large. That's crazy.
Oh, yeah.
I could probably finish that small one in one drink. They get you. Always go large. That's the motto. Getting our refreshments here. Oh my god, it is so hot out here today. Oh.
Oh.
As we're moving right along, guys, we got us some delicious popcorn. Right?
Yeah.
Some bomb pops like you saw. Oh, there's some kid freaking out over there. Oh my god. Oh. It's gonna come out on the vlog. Hopefully they come this way. Porque van a salir en la cámara. And that's all on camera. Anyways, guys, back to our regular scheduled programming. We're moving right along. See you guys inside this next exhibit. This is where all my family is at. They have an exhibit for all of my family members. We're going, buddy.
What's that?
Anyways, guys, so sorry if I'm so close to my face. It's because I got the popcorn right here. But we're about to go in here and check out my family. You guys pretty much have probably already guessed what I'm talking about, but we're going into the monkey exhibit. Let's get it! Look. Vaya, que la que hay, papi.
Look at the gorilla. Can't hear him. Gorilla.
It's me and Natalie in there. That's what I was about
And
to
the
say.
black one. That's one's me up there. Where's that? And the black one. What are? Oh, they already ate. There's no gorillas.
What do you have to say about that?
Look. Tell him not to.
I'm just vlogging. You're telling him.
Bentley, look. It says do not touch or tap on glass. I want to wherever I want.
Look, hold it for me. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
I'll hold it for you. She got me, guys.
I'm gonna get your ours, the lion.
Right here, buddy. Look. Vente.
Lion.
Mira.
Look at the lion. Lion. Tiger.
Ahí están los dos.
Yeah, lion. Mom, I can't see.
Oh, lion. Whatever.
Tiger. Tiger. Now you said tiger.
Yeesh, guys, it's a hot day out here. Anyways, we're moving right along. They weren't doing much of nothing over there, so that wasn't very exciting. I'm just kind of checking myself out. Anyways, we're going to get up close and personal with this rhino's kind of over by this, over there somewhere. I don't know, where is it? Boom, somewhere over there. Anyways, we're going to go over there because it's close to the side. So that's good. There we are, you guys. Beautiful, majestic beast.
Rhino.
Just
I'm glad they have a
chilling.
cage around the dangerous animals.
Yeah.
Dino. They're keeping us safe. You see him? Yeah. He's very big.
He is very big.
Very big. You said very big. Very, very big.
Another set of beautiful, majestic creatures. It's amazing. Super relaxing.
Ooh. I can see his tongue from here.
Anyways, guys, we gave this the best go around we could. There's my homeboy, the camel, back there. We saw everything here at the zoo. Now we need to go cool down. So we're about to go head over to the pool at the house. Warp all the way through this and see you guys there. Wow. Bentley was running in front of us with this, cooling us down because it was so hot. Look at that. What a good brother. I love you so much, Papi. Thank you so much for cooling us down. You're the man. You ready to go pool now?
Yeah.
Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, we had to stop and protect the investment, get her a car wash, then we'll make it home and go to the pool. Bam, bam.
You can get a turn after you ask for.
What's going on, vlog? It's your favorite family here again. It's the same day, but we did not go to the pool.
Right. Explain to them why we didn't go.
I'm not going to do a lot of explaining, but
Kids are bad.
the attitudes we were expecting from our children from the fun activities that we did today didn't match up to the ones we were going to do in the afternoon. But we still got some fireworks, so we'll try and bring you guys some cool shots with these fireworks. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like this video if you made it this far. Your favorite boy, B. Watch out, Bentley! Watch out, Bentley! Watch out! Watch out, Bentley!
Come here!
What the heck is that?
I'm gonna throw them in the air. Watch out!
Okay, one, you're screaming. Two, you're going under the cabin.
What are those things? Those are disgusting.
Quack, quack, quack. Hi, everyone!
No, you can't hold them.
Ow!
Wow!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, due to the last clip, obviously you saw I hurt my injury, but we're still out here. Hold on, dude.
Be careful. Yeah, you.
Throw it, throw it, throw it!
Oh.
Good job.
We didn't get any that go in the air.
Look, let me show you guys.
I tried to aim for the trees.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for watching. You guys are the best. I love you, Guzmanators. All 62 of you guys.
Throw it!
Stay on
Throw
this.
it!
It's the only way, you guys. Thank you for watching.